friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making watermelon and tomato salad. For this easy recipe, here's what we need. 1/4 watermelon, 2 tomatoes, a bunch of basil, onion, salt, black pepper, olive oil, and balsamic vinegar. So those quantities of watermelon tomatoes are approximate. You can have more or less of any ingredients. It tastes good no matter what quantities and combinations you have. This is just an idea for this amazing healthy summer salad. So first I'm going to cut the watermelon into pieces. And now I'll put watermelon pieces in a bowl. And now I'll do the same with tomatoes. And I already washed the tomatoes and basil before making this video, so everything is prepared. And next I'm going to cut the leaves into small pieces as well. So I'm only chopping the leaves and don't need the stems. Another great substitution for fresh basil would be fresh mint. It also tastes very good in the salad. And next I'm going to peel and cut the onion. So I'm just using regular onion. You can also use red onion. Would be awesome as well. And now let's add onion to the salad. And now let's add the seasonings and dressing. So first I'm going to sprinkle it with salt and pepper. And yes, watermelon is great with salt. It actually brings out the flavor, and sweet and salty tastes amazing. So just sprinkle it with salt and pepper to taste. And now I'm going to mix the dressing. So we're going to use 3 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. So there's 1, 2, 3 tablespoons olive oil and 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. and I'm going to whisk it with a fork so the dressing is combined. And pour the dressing over the salad. Perfect. And now I'm going to toss the salad. Perfect. Looks so good, so fresh, amazing. And now as you can see that both tomatoes and watermelon are red, so you can't even tell there's tomatoes. So if you ever see yellow tomatoes or orange tomatoes, that would make the salad even more high contrast. It would look better, but this tastes amazing. So good. I'm super excited about trying it, and it's healthy too. So let me just put some salad on my plate. And now let's try it. So excited. So I'm just gonna get a piece of tomato, a piece of watermelon, and a little bit of basil here. So good. This is a perfect combination of flavor. This is a perfect summer salad, and it's so healthy, so easy to make, and it's pretty unique too. You're gonna love it. It's really a hit for summer barbecues and parties. For a frequentable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!